got four things on four notes. We got a pull off in the beginning, then a roll off from string 1 to string 2, and then you can put a hammer on there, or you can pluck the 5th fret going to the 8th fret on the 2nd string, bend up a whole step, and then vibrato that whole step if you can. So you have So those four notes could have 6 techniques. You do our Frethand muting rake, that sound. Before that'd be 1. Then we have the pull off, 2. We got the roll off, 3. And then we have the hammer on, 4. We have the bend up a whole step, 5. And then the vibrato, number 6. 6 techniques in one exercise. Yeah. So you really have to prepare your hands for the last note.
Yes, it is.
So find the notes that you can bend up a whole step, like the one in, like this one. A minor pentatonic scale starting on the 4th scale degree D. 13, 15. Because we're bending up D to E, that down an octave. A little bit more difficult, but find it everywhere. We can take that same lick and go to string 2 and 3. The bend in from string 3 into the note up a whole step to string 2, playing a unison note, the Johnny B. Good lick, where we always hear the Chicago blues, you know. You want to bend it into the 2nd note that it doesn't spill down. As soon as you hear that note, play the next note. Yeah.
You're going.
Yeah, so that's all about the last note. You know, we're noticing that we've got to prepare ourselves for the landing of the pinky close to the fret. The other fingers have to help support, and then you got to get ready for that vibrato. So you can stay a lot on one lick, you know. So this is what I suggest, is that when you learn a lick like that, play it as low as you can on the fretboard, and then move it up 1 fret at a time. Third position, maybe 4 times in each position, or at least twice. Same thing, we're just changing the last note. So when you go, and you got to really dig in there, you know. Yeah. Make sure you get that first bend. Yeah, and then roll off in it, and yes, yeah. You really need to spend some time with these lines. These are, you'll hear them once you play them. When you start listening to your music, add one more note to that line that you just played, and that's just coming back to the 8th fret. Right, and don't shake the neck as much as you want to move the string. A lot of people do this and the finger doesn't move, you know. Yeah, the visual's good.
It is.
Now we're going to add one more lick to that one, and that's number 13. So you got the we're going to add one more note to that.
string right or third.
Second string is the last note.